So today we will be playing Anime Tycoon with my friend here, Sasuke Uchiwa.
Hi guys.
And as you guys already know, I'm gamer. And so this is a game where you can play you can pick any anime, and then it shows like what anime. So I'll be picking Naruto because why not? And now first it's gonna show you lands to put crystals and stuff, and then pick a new building. So you'll see here it shows like different kind of things you can put. So of course I'm gonna pick. I picked Naruto. What are you gonna pick?
Let's see. How about One Piece?
You're gonna pick One Piece, alright. And I'm gonna do Hokage because that's 10% rare. And if you then you can level it up because it's saying it's gonna give me $2 per second, but if I press E, it's gonna give me $6 per second. So I can upgrade it. And then you can see over there that shows powers and bosses. It's really weird. So Kyra from JoJo is
It's got fire kick. Wow.
Oh yeah. So Kyra from JoJo is the easiest. Nomu from My Hero Academia is medium. Boo from Dragon Ball is hard. Orochimaru from Naruto is extreme. Akainu from One Piece is impossible. And Muzan from Demon Slayer is more than any of them. So what I'm gonna do right now is keep building it over and over, and I'm gonna redraw so it gives me different ones.
Okay.
And so, alright, let's pick Itachi's tea house.
Which boss did you pick?
I picked Naruto. You picked One Piece, right?
Yeah, which boss did you pick?
Oh, I have Hokage and Orochimaru's the lair. You?
I'm gonna pick Muzan from Demon Slayer.
Okay. Alright, now let's see if I can level them up.
I'm doing fighting.
Now.
Right now, right?
Alright, let's. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna keep leveling up my things. So I get more money. See, now it says $14 per second. Sasuke Uchiwa, what are you up to?
I'm fighting the JoJo character, you know?
Oh, Kyra?
Yeah, Kyrie. A new fighting him.
Nice. Kyra is kind of easy though, but if you have those powers, baseball fighter, I think, or something like that, you can beat Kyra really easily.
I have fire kick.
Fire kick is free, but it doesn't do that much damage.
True that.
Alright, now it's gonna give me $19 per second. Now I'm gonna keep doing all of them until they get to full max. So see, now, first it was giving me $1 per second. Now it's giving me 16 and 39 and stuff. Alright, let's go to the powers. Let's see if I can beat any bosses. So here, guys, it's gonna show us different powers. Fire kick is free from. What? My health is I don't know, 120, 1,224. You? Oh, nice. So here, guys, you can get all of them, but I'm gonna go to tier 4. Wait, let me see if this is the one. No, I'm gonna get to tier 3, I think, because this one is like the Naruto one, and especially the Rasengan right here is like the powerfulest, and also Rising Bomber. So what I'm gonna get is, I think I should go to tier 2 because I don't have that much. So let's see. What's going on? I'm gonna get this. And I think I should get more money before I do this. So
Do you want a power real quick? Let's see what I can get.
alright, let's see if I go here. And also, guys, please smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. And if you guys have any ideas, because Sasuke Uchiha is trying to also make a YouTube channel. So if you guys have any ideas, put them in the comment section down below. So I got Jet Uppercut, and I'm gonna get maybe Fireball Cast. I think. Yeah, what?
I have a fire kick, I have a flash punch, and I have the ground throw.
Nice. Now I got that. I'm gonna get one more. I think I can. Yeah, I think I can get one more. This one's really good, guys. String performance, bro. It's like so good. Flash punch. Oh, Sasuke Uchiha, come here. Come to tier. What is this? Tier 1. Come to tier 1.
I'm not sure we're not. I'm here.
Alright, we're. Look at this power. Look at this one.
Kamehameha? I want it.
You got it. All right, let's go to bosses and defeat him.
I got the. Okay, yeah. Let's do. Which one do you want to do?
I'm doing Kyra. Someone's already defeating it, so I'm gonna join them. Why not? Like. Sing. Alright, let's see.
Nice.
Yeah, boy. That's called baseball barrage, guys. You don't want to mess with that.
The baseball one is OP.
Yeah, I know, right? Alright, let's do. Alright. Oh, I need just one more. Let's go. It says, so I did the least damage, XX Simply Pug did the most damage, and Sasuke Uchiha did this more damage than me. So,
No, I died.
alright, come back. Alright.
Yeah, I'm doing back.
Alright. This one, bro, is like the best. I just hate when he does his special effect, bro. It's so hard. It's like so annoying.
Kamehameha?
Yeah. Alright, let's use this.
I'm gonna flash punching him. He's so low.
Alright, so now there's 4 people, so I mean that's why. And no, there's 4. It showed 4. Or maybe someone joined and my left.
Oh, we're going to right now. Oh no, you gotta move the baseball.
See, there's 4 people here, Sasuke Uchiha.
What's my real name? Oh, I killed him! Who did more damage?
Hatsu, yeah.
How we do Orochimaru?
Oh, nah, bro. You don't want to mess with him. You do not want to mess with him.
Nomu?
Yeah, let's do Nomu, bro.
he looks straight. Oh my god.
Yeah. So
Oh, he thought he could get me.
yeah, bro.
Ah.
Yo, bro, this kid though. This is why I always do Kyra, bro. I never want to mess with this kid.
Oh, look how OP he is.
Alright. Oh, dang. Bro. This guy is too over. This guy is too OP, bro.
Don't mess with me, kid.
Alright, let's go, bro. Oh, let's go. Someone joined us.
I died.
Join back.
I'm kind of like.
Oh yeah, double jump so you can get over him because it helps a lot. Cause, bro, I'm low health. I swear, if I die though. Oh, I almost died, bro. My spidey senses are coming up, guys.
Do not do it.
Oh yeah, guys, if you guys watched the World Cup for soccer, comment down below what team did you guys like the best?
Can I show my team what I like the best?
Yeah.
Argentina.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go back to my base.
Bro, I have 8K already, bro. I'm going to choose 2 powers.
Bro, I have 12K.
Damn, you're rich.
No, cause I leveled up to my things, so that's why maybe it helps. Alright, let's go to powers.
Ooh, should I get the Frieza Blast? No, I can't get that. The Rasengan is 30K?
Yeah. Yes, strength performance, bro. I'm gonna use this for jet uppercut. Let's see how it works. Right here. I'm gonna go to tier, what is this? 2? I'm gonna go to tier 3.
The burn away by Sasuke.
Who?
Sasuke.
Oh.
My idol. The Gonzo doesn't do that much damage.
I'm gonna get death ball, bro. You know? Water wheel.
You want to come back to the. Oh no, look at the burn away.
Yo, look at this one. Sasuke Uchiha, look this.
Oh, look at that. Look at this one.
What?
I'm right here, bro. Behind you.
Nice. Wait, where did you get that?
I got that from tier 1, I think.
Did you get burn away right here?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Where'd you get that? Where'd you get the sword one?
Oh, right. Oh, that one is right here. Water wheel. Water wheel.
I'm doing a table with my flash punch. Let's try it out. Oh, that was sick.
I'm gonna get Fury Punch. It looks good.
I should have picked Naruto.
Alright, let's go back. I'm gonna go to bosses now, bro. Alright, let's do Kyra.